What a nice sight. Amazing. Just another 2 minutes. First, we make some onion is from my soil, so to say, completely natural. Just the ham is not. So to say, baking machine is quite small. See, this didn't work, but I like because this also has a this one because so say. These are sun-dried olives from Slovenia seacoast. Okay. Let me know in the comments. Unfortunately, the egg fell down, but otherwise everything okay. And now we just wait like 3-4 minutes, and that will be enough, because as you can see the temperature is quite high. So everything is frozen and we still have fresh tomato. Eggs are frozen.